Hello, and welcome to the first episode of AJ Blogs AI. I'm gonna start counting from zero since it just feels more appropriate and more computer sciencey. So recently I graduated from a AI certificate program, and I was thinking about what to do with that knowledge, what to do next career-wise, and really what I want to do is this. I want to make videos, sort of just document what I'm learning, what I'm playing around with, and also sort of mix it with more of a vlog style, daily events kind of stuff. So that's what I'm going for here. So kind of just day-to-day stuff and also updates on the project I'm working on. Yeah, so let's get started. I want to introduce my number one helper for this, just right down here. There's Lucy. Hi. I think she'll be around a lot in these videos. So I have a work computer, a MacBook, but it's a bit locked down and I don't really know what I'm allowed to do or not do fully on there. So what I'm doing instead is I also have a Windows desktop here, and that's what this machine here is. So that's going to be my starting point. I don't exactly have a specific project in mind. What I want to do is see the use of AI sort of across any layer or tier or like step in the software engineering pipeline. So I'm interested in its use in design, in the actual code. If you have like an ops like Terraform or something for deployment, or like some other like infrastructure as code cloud deployment, I'm interested in its use there. Maybe its use in like visual design. So I'm in kind of scattered in terms of what I'm interested in. So what I was thinking was I would just start with some kind of sample project and be okay with branching off as needed, and just learn as I go. So the first thing I'm working on, and we'll switch to screen recording in a second here, is just some kind of Twitter clone, some kind of microblogging platform. This is nothing yet, but I think that's a good like base setting for everybody. So you'll have users, you'll have posts, even the specific features I'm still figuring out. Then I'll try to figure out multiple ways to write it. I'll look at different ways of deploying it, and see where AI fits or doesn't fit in there. All right, so I have a few notes in front of me and I want to just kind of go over some stuff before we dig into the code. And again, not much going on yet. One thing you'll notice is this is Windows. I think this is Windows 10. I'm not a Windows hater at all, but it is an older machine. It doesn't, like you can see I have WSL installed here, but it doesn't work, unfortunately. My CPU doesn't have the virtualization support. So it is a worse developer environment than I like. I think I'm gonna just suck it up for now. If this project goes further and I keep putting out these vlogs, I will invest in a better home setup, or if I can get permission to use my work laptop, I'll use that instead. But for now, we just have Windows everything, Windows 10. It is what it is. I think it's okay. It's not a blocker to progress, I'd say. So one thing I did, and I have barely used so far, is I did get the ChatGPT Premium. So right now I'm recording this, it's November 2nd, 2024. So o1, I think, is like the hottest new model. It feels like new stuff is coming out every couple of weeks. So yeah, another vendor might have something newer and better soon, but right now o1 seems to be the thing that's the talk of the town. What we see here now, and this is not relevant to the project, but so Dino 2.0 just came out, and the marketing's pretty good. I've been influenced. I think it's interesting. So what I wanted to do just to start with was just to create like a very basic like Hello World Next app using Dino. So the first thing I actually did, and let me get this up here as well. What we have here is what I was doing with Dino, trying to create a Next.js app. Unfortunately, this is wrong. I'm not sure where they pulled this from. It doesn't work. So what I ended up doing was just looking at the Dino docs and ended up generating a Next.js app this way. So we do have just a very basic Hello World Next.js app. Let me get the terminal up. And then this isn't super important, but even the tutorial was a little wrong. There were some styling things missing. It's still compiling. Yeah, so that's what we have so far. So nothing to do with Twitter or posts or anything like that, but just a little tutorial here.